Hey there, this is MDP showing you how to get songs for your phone. Go to myspace.com. Click on music and search the song or artist. Click on his web page. Now, copy the URL and go to file2hd.com. Click on audio and check this box. Paste the URL and get files. Here are the songs that you will need if you click on it. There should be a run or save box showing. Mine's like really slow right there. Save it wherever you want, and then go to your email and send it to your, sign up if you don't have one, and send it to your phone. If you have Verizon, send it to your phone number. For example, 559-123-4567 at dzwpix.com, and then attach the file, and then send, and then you're done. Alright, I hope this video helped you. Thank you. Bye.